This is a very clean, well-maintained Holz-Her Arcus 1334 Edgebander. Its stations include a 15-inch edge controller, an automatic feed magazine with a GJ301 automatic glue jet pressure section, a 1914 pressure unit that is pneumatic driven with servos, a 1925 end trim unit for top and bottom trim that has 2 servos, an 1828 top and bottom cutter, an 1833 profile cutter corner rounding unit, a 1927 HD profile scraper that has 1 servo, a 1964 finish scraper, and finally a 1944 top and bottom buffing unit. A full set of manuals also accompanies this machine.